Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have more updates on browsers. So if you noticed that Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge now have these updates for bug fixes and new features every 2 weeks rather than once a month like it used to. And so some weeks it actually makes these browsers update twice because they have bug fixes, and then there's the security fixes, which is another update. Firefox, Mozilla has announced Firefox will follow the same lead. They will follow the same speed of updates, starting with Firefox 155. That should be out on September the 1st. Starting from there will be a update every 2 weeks with features and bug fixes, as well as, of course, the updates that sometimes appear with security. But you will have quicker updates for Firefox also. They say it's experimental. It's probably, they're trying to probably get to the same speed of updates as the other browsers. So we'll see more updates coming out of Firefox starting in September, following Chrome and Edge. We'll see what happens. They say, it's good because they will bring new features to the user faster by having more frequent updates, but there'll be smaller updates with little, new features and little things in there that users will see faster. So I guess it's mostly because they're trying to follow the others, but we'll see how it goes. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.